How to make a gratitude log in your bullet journal. Key takeaways. 1. A gratitude log is a personal record where you take time to consciously acknowledge and appreciate the positive aspects of your life. 2. The purpose of maintaining a gratitude log is to cultivate an attitude of gratitude, which has been proven to enhance emotional well-being, strengthen relationships, and improve the overall quality of life. 3. Keeping a gratitude log can have a significant beneficial impact on mental well-being and overall happiness. 4. Simple techniques can help you easily make gratitude journaling a part of your daily routine and boost emotional well-being. 5. Ideas and prompts for a gratitude log include people you are grateful for, moments that brought you joy, achievements you are proud of, simple pleasures you are thankful for, and what you have learned from challenges or acts of kindness you received or gave. Understanding gratitude logs. Gratitude logs are a type of journaling where you simply write down things you're grateful for, and they serve as a reminder to appreciate the good things in your life. This type of log helps to cultivate an attitude of gratitude, which can bring about greater happiness and life satisfaction. Definition and purpose. A gratitude log is a personal record where you take time to consciously acknowledge and appreciate the positive aspects of your life. The primary purpose of maintaining such a log is to cultivate an attitude of gratitude, which has been proven to enhance emotional well-being, strengthen relationships, and improve your overall quality of life. Benefits of keeping a gratitude log. Keeping a gratitude log can have a significant impact on your mental well-being and overall happiness. Studies show that regularly expressing gratitude improves sleep quality, boosts the immune system, reduces stress and anxiety, and promotes positive self-esteem. Creating a routine of writing and recording 3 things you're thankful for every day has been shown to increase optimism and happiness by 15%, reduce symptoms of depression by up to 35%, and even enhance problem-solving skills. Incorporating just a few minutes of gratitude practice into your daily routine can be simple yet transformative. Creating your own gratitude log. To create your own gratitude log, decide on the medium you prefer, physical or digital, and set a logging frequency that works for you. Don't forget to also set a gratitude intention to guide your practice. Choose a physical or digital medium when it comes to creating your own gratitude journal or log. One of the first decisions you'll need to make is whether you want to start a gratitude journal in a physical or digital medium. Physical gratitude journals are a classic choice, and many people enjoy the tactile experience of putting pen to paper. A digital gratitude log could take many forms, from a simple Word document on your laptop to our phone notes app that allows easy mobility and sharing options like Google Docs. There is a blissful feeling of nostalgia in using a good old-fashioned physical journal. You have creative freedom with a bullet journal that allows me to use different mediums depending on your mood. Digital mediums are readily accessible, allowing you to maintain your gratitude goals with just a few swipes on an app. This allows you to stay focused on what you are grateful for and less off track with your artistic masterpieces. The ultimate benefits of a gratitude log remain the same whether it's physical or digital. Decide on your logging frequency. One essential aspect of creating a gratitude journal or log is deciding how often you want to write in it. The frequency of writing your grateful for journal can depend on various factors, such as your schedule and personal preference. If you are new to keeping a gratitude log, starting with daily entries each week might be helpful to cultivate the habit effectively. Writing down 10 things you're grateful for every day can help train your brain to focus on positive emotions and experiences rather than negative ones. Ultimately, the goal is consistency. Ensuring that one quality that no matter what frequency is chosen, there will still be the necessary dedication and discipline needed for this practice's success at whatever works best for an individual. Set a gratitude intention when creating your gratitude journal or log. It's important to set a clear intention for why you want to practice gratitude. This will help you stay motivated and committed to the process. One example of setting a gratitude intention is deciding to focus on small moments of joy each day. This could include taking time to appreciate the beauty of nature on your commute or savoring a cup of coffee before starting work. Others may have intent on paying attention to details of the natural beauty in life in order to decrease materialistic values. Ways to stick to your gratitude log. To stick to your gratitude log, simply make it a part of your daily life. Cultivate a daily gratitude practice. Use creative ways to express gratitude, Stay motivated with positive affirmations, and reflect on your progress each week. These simple techniques can help you easily make your gratitude journaling practice into a part of your daily routine and boost emotional well-being. 5 tips to help cultivate a daily gratitude log in your bullet journal. 1. Set aside a specific time each day to write in your gratitude log. This could be first thing in the morning or right before bed, whatever works best for you. 2. Take a moment to reflect on your day and think about the things you're grateful for. This could be something as simple as having a roof over your head or having food to eat. 3. Write down 5 things that you're grateful for each day. Be specific and descriptive in your writing, focusing on how these things have positively impacted your life. 4. Use different prompts or exercises to keep your practice fresh and interesting. 5. Remember that cultivating gratitude is an ongoing process and it takes time and effort to build this habit into your daily routine. By practicing gratitude daily, you'll start to develop a more positive outlook on life and become more mindful of the good things that surround you. This will promote positive changes in self-improvement, emotional well-being, life satisfaction, happiness, and personal growth, which will go a long way in building healthy mental habits for yourself. 5 creative ways to show your appreciation. 1. Create a gratitude collage. Collect pictures, quotes, or images that represent what you are thankful for and create a visual representation of your gratitude. 2. Write a gratitude letter. Take the time to write a letter expressing your thanks and appreciation towards someone who has positively impacted your life. 3. Practice mindful meditation. Begin and end each day with mindful meditation where you focus on the things you are grateful for. 4. Share your appreciation with others. Tell loved ones how much they mean to you and thank them for being part of your life. 5. Leave gratitude notes. Leave small notes expressing your thanks in unexpected places like in colleagues' workspaces or on family members' pillows. Stay motivated with positive affirmations. Incorporating positive affirmations into your gratitude log routine can help keep you motivated and focused on the good in your life. Affirmations are specific statements that reinforce positive thinking patterns and inspire self-confidence. To get started with affirmations, consider creating a list of phrases that resonate with you personally. Think about areas of your life where you want to improve or cultivate more gratitude, such as relationships, career goals, or mental health. Reflect on your progress as you are bullet journaling and continue with your gratitude log. It's important to reflect on your progress. Take the time to look back at an older gratitude bullet journal and see how far you've come in your life journey. Reflecting on your progress can also help you identify patterns or areas of improvement. Remember the purpose behind starting this gratitude practice. It is not just an exercise in writing down good things, but rather an invitation to live more intentionally while cultivating joy and contentment within ourselves. Ideas and prompts for your gratitude log. 10 examples of people we are grateful for. 1. Family members who have been supportive and loving throughout our life. 2. Friends who have stuck by us through thick and thin and brought joy and laughter into our days. 3. Colleagues who have taught us new skills, mentored us, or simply made work more enjoyable. 4. Teachers or mentors who have inspired us, challenged us, and helped you grow academically or professionally. 5. Healthcare professionals who have cared for us or a loved one during times of illness or injury. 6. Strangers who have shown kindness or generosity when we least expected. 7. Community leaders who work hard to make the world a better place. 8. Service workers such as waitstaff, cleaners, and delivery drivers who make our lives easier with their hard work. 9. Mentees or younger individuals whom we have had the opportunity to mentor and guide. 10. That person who smiles at us as we smile back so we both can feel the warmth of togetherness in our lives. 10 ideas to help inspire your gratitude log. 1. Laughing uncontrollably with friends or family. 2. Receiving a genuine compliment. 3. Accomplishing a long-term goal or finally finishing a project. 4. Taking a relaxing bath or shower after a busy day. 5. Enjoying a delicious meal with loved ones. 6. Listening to your favorite song and feeling it resonate with you. 7. Discovering something new and exciting. 8. Completing an act of kindness for someone else. 9. Spending time doing something you love, such as reading, gardening, or dancing. 10. Watching a beautiful sunset or sunrise. 10 achievement ideas for your gratitude log. 1. Graduating from school. Point 2. Landing your dream job. Point 3. Learning a new language or skill. Point 4. Overcoming a fear or challenge. 5. Finishing a project that you are proud of. Point 6. Starting a new hobby or passion project. Point 7. Reaching a personal goal, like running a marathon. Point 8. Making progress towards personal growth, such as facing fears or becoming more mindful. Point 9. Receiving recognition or accolades for your work. Point 10. Overcoming an illness or injury. 10 simple pleasures to be grateful for. 1. A good cup of coffee or tea in the morning. Point 2. A warm, cozy bed on a chilly night. Point 3. The sound of birds chirping outside your window. Point 4. A beautiful sunset or sunrise. Point 5. A day off work to relax and recharge. 6. The smell of freshly baked cookies or bread. Point 7. A hot shower after a long day. Point 8. Snuggling up with a pet or loved one. Point 9. Watching your favorite movie or TV show. Point 10. Going for a leisurely walk in nature. 10 items concerning what you have learned from deal with challenges. 1. The importance of resilience and perseverance. Point 2. How to ask for help when needed. Point 3. The power of self-reflection and introspection. Point 4. Recognizing the support network around you. Point 5. The ability to adapt to new situations. 6. Learning to let go of things out of your control. Point 7. Honing problem-solving skills. Point 8. Understanding that failures can be opportunities for growth. Point 9. Practicing gratitude even in difficult moments. Point 10. Appreciating the good times even more after experiencing hardship. Conclusion: making a gratitude log can be an effective way to cultivate positivity, mindfulness, and personal growth in your life. By regularly reflecting on the things you are thankful for, you can build a new habit full of appreciation and gratitude practices that improve your emotional well-being. Setting up your own gratitude log is simple and flexible to fit into any daily routine. Whether it's through a journaling practice or digital tools, there are plenty of ways to start logging your gratitude today. Now that you know all about how to create a gratitude log and how to use it, will you be adding this to your daily routine? If you have any questions or want to discussing how using a gratitude log has helped your life, please comment below.